Hi Parker and Bennett and Cam and Dylan. We are outside because it's sunny and it's beautiful and we couldn't wait to get outside and get some fresh air today. Our challenge for today is how many hops can you do without stopping? I think you're gonna have more hops than me, but I don't know, I'll try to. Here we go. Maddie, guess how many hops you did?
How many hops?
This bird caught a snake and he took it to the water. Oh, look at that. Oop, it's on his nose now. He's been shaking it for a little while. Every once in a while he dunks it in the water like that. This has been going on for a little while now.
You swallowed it.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Wow. He looks pretty pleased with himself. He fishes here just about every day. But this is the first time we saw him do anything like this. That was a pretty big meal. That's our adventure for the day. There he goes.
Maddie, guess how many hops you did?
How many hops?
18.
Oh my goodness.
Good job. Okay, my turn.
Okay.
2. Here I go. Without stopping. Woo! Hey you guys, I hope you had a great day and I hope you had fun hopping. I can't wait to hear how many you did. I miss you guys and I love you so much. XOXO.